Hey there, future trailblazers! Are you ready to build not just careers but successful businesses? Welcome to ISDM NxT, where we don't just offer courses, we offer future-proof career paths. Today, let's dive into the top 10 career courses that are changing lives at ISDM NxT centers across India. Number 1. Digital Marketing Mastery. From SEO to social media, you'll learn the hottest skills to dominate the digital world. Number 2. Advanced Microsoft Excel and MIS reporting. Excel experts are needed in every office. We make you job-ready for high-demand roles. Number 3. Accounting and Tally ERP with GST. Practical accounting skills open doors to finance jobs, business roles, and even entrepreneurship. Number 4. Professional graphic designing. Creativity meets technology here. Master Photoshop, CorelDRAW, and Illustrator. Number 5. Full-stack web development. We turn coders into creators, teaching front-end, back-end, and everything in between. Number 6. Python programming for beginners. In today's tech-driven world, Python is the language of opportunity, be it AI, web apps, or more. Number 7. Data analytics and business intelligence. Prepare for the future of decision-making with tools like Power BI, SQL, and more. Number 8. Advanced Diploma in Computer Applications, ADCA. Build complete computer literacy, a perfect foundation for job seekers. Number 9. Spoken English and soft skills training. Communication is key. Boost your confidence, public speaking, and workplace success. Number 10. E-commerce business management. Learn how to start, run, and grow businesses online, from Amazon to Shopify. Each course is designed with one mission in mind, making you job-ready, skill-ready, and future-ready. And the best part? As an ISDM NxT franchisee, you get access to full curriculum packages, ready-to-use study materials, support from experienced trainers, career counseling kits for admissions, and marketing support to grow faster. With ISDM NxT, you're not just opening a computer institute, you're launching a career-building center in your city. More career courses equal sign, more students equal sign, more success for your business. The world is changing fast. Skills are the new currency. Help your students learn the most in-demand skills. Help yourself build a successful, respected brand. Become a part of the ISDM NxT revolution today. Call us now 9725905680. Visit www.isdmindia.in. ISDM NxT, empowering skills, transforming careers.